In my last video, I decided not to remove the wasp nest in my pump house. But now the story continues. This time, my pump inlet is blocked and I have no choice but to step back inside, right under the wasp nest. It seems like nature is testing me again. So tonight, I'm going back in. The question is, can I clean it without waking them? How did I understand the pump is blocked? Is from this continuous working. You see, this pump inlet is blocked, which means that the suction pipe, this side, is blocked. It's not delivering water into the house. So I have to clean it up. Previously, under the wasps, I cleaned the pump filters, but now this time the pump section. I got to clean it at night. And it is right under the wasps colony. While I'm getting ready for tonight, I'm also setting up first aid. I opened up my kits, checked everything, and placed them here. If I get stung by a swarm of wasps tonight, at least I can do some first aid before heading to the hospital. Okay, this pipe goes to the pump, the other side of the suction pump. The pump draws the water from the tank, which is fed with the rainwater, and then gives it into the house. But first it filters it. This is a non-return valve. It sucks it and keeps the water in the pipe. So the water doesn't fall down when it stops pumping. What happens is sometimes this can get clogged. So I check it time to time to see if it's all right, but it seems all right. It seems quite clean. I'll just, without opening it, I'll clean it up and then put it back in. It must be clogged from the other side. The reason that I check this, in case if this is dirty, I don't have to open it from there, from where the wasps are. I was trying to take a shortcut, but it seems to be this is quite clean, and I'll leave it. It seems like I have to go there tonight. Let's check it out. Okay. It's around 10:30. The wasps must have gone to sleep now. I've got my red light, headlight, that I'm gonna wear it. I'm also going to fit a red light on the camera. What we're gonna do is that from now on, I'm not going to talk in the pump house. I'm gonna go in quietly. I'm going to put the camera in, and then you're gonna see a flange with the 2 bolts. Undo it. Some water is gonna come out, and then I'm gonna take out a ring, and there's a mesh in the middle. This part must have been blocked. It's a filter. I'm gonna clean it up and put everything back in. Then after that, I'm gonna connect the pump to the electricity. So let's get going. see. Well, the pump is clean. The wasps are still sleeping. I haven't been stung. And for me, it's a good night's work. So I deserved a nice sleep now. By the way, please subscribe to my channel or like my videos. Please, guys, it takes a lot of effort so I can provide you more content as well. Thanks for being with me. Till next time, good night.